Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and welcome to our Irish family. Today I wanted to share with you my meals for the past 4 days, my dinners for the past 4 days. So this is just for myself and Robert in Pacific. Ava's not a very great eater, so she wouldn't have the same food that we do. But yeah, so I'm going to share with you 4 days, Monday through Thursday, so up to today. And I just want you to, just see them. I have a few observations of it, like our portion sizes are gigantic, so we should probably try cut that back on that. I am trying to up the amount of veg that we eat because we're not very good at that. And then I'm trying to more oven bake things, except for today. Today was like a cheat day, so you will see that it wasn't very healthy at all today. But anyways, this is the first week that I am doing this. I'm probably going to continue this every second week. And we'll see how it goes. We'll see if it gets a good interaction, if you guys like this video. If you do like it, please let me know down below in the comments, and let me know whether you think this is a good idea, whether you think it should be something that becomes like a series on my channel. So yes, let's see what we ate this week. So you can see here I am just prepping today's dinner, which is turkey skewers. So adding the sauce. I do have a recipe video on this if you're interested in seeing the whole thing. I share with you the ingredients and all that sort of stuff, so I will have that linked in the description for you. So tonight we are having spaghetti bolognaise, and this is how I make it. I try to load in the veg to make it a hidden secret like sauce, just to kind of trick myself and Ava into eating more veg. So yeah, this is just how I make it now. I have made this from the One Yummy Mummy cookbook, which I'll have linked on Amazon. It's a very good book so far. For tonight's dinner, I'm making a slow cooker meal, and it is Hunter's chicken. So I got this recipe from Pinch of Nom page. It's like a Slimming World friendly one, and I'll have that linked in the description for you guys. So the final dinner I'm sharing with you this week is this. It is chicken thighs that look quite pale here, but they are actually browned. I did do them in the oven for like 45 minutes. And then also Robert stopped in at the chipper or the chip shop on the way home and got us both some chips. Not very healthy and very overfilling. that's it guys, that is today's video. As I said, we have lots to improve upon. Recording it really kind of opened my eyes into the portion sizes and the selection of food that we're having. I'm trying to vary up our meals a bit, so yes, that is it. If you like it, please do give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you are new here, and I will talk to you in my next one. Bye.